Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to pin comments on your TikTok videos. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So, pinning comments in the comment sections allow the viewers to see important descriptions or comments about the video. Let's say for example, you want to add more info in the description box, but you've run out of characters. Therefore, you can use a comment section and pin it to the top. So let me show you how to do it. Open your TikTok app on your phone. Now go over to your profile page by tapping on me at the bottom right. Select a video where you want to pin the comment. Go into your comment section by tapping on the comment icon. Now select your comment and long press on it. You should get a menu appear. From the menu, tap on Pin Comment. You'll get a message at the top saying Pinned Comment, and you should see a pin next to the comment. You can only pin one comment per video. And there you go, that is how to pin comments on your TikTok videos. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.